Good morning. I have washed my hair. I put my head under the shower by accident, so that was good for me. And I still haven't put Tame back in my bathroom. So I've got, I just co-washed with number one. I bloody love the nozzle because it's so much easier to get all on your scalp. I don't know if you've seen those, but I designed them. And every time I use it, I'm like, genius. I used leave-in, leave-in, a little bit of Stylit, and I'm just using Tame so that it doesn't sort of puff up. Oh, I always shake my head because it stops it getting all tangled up. So that's that done. But I sent out a little newsletter today because I've been up to loads of stuff. My husband and son were watching like a TV film series thing, and it wasn't something I was into. So I decided to, amongst all the other things I've been doing, to do a course in Trichology, which is the science of the scalp and hair. And I did that. I really should have washed my hands between doing that. I did that, and it was really interesting, but I found it really easy. Obviously I've been doing this for a while, so everything that I knew and everything I teach is almost like some of the bits in the course as well. So yeah, so I was waiting to see if I passed because I'm not a particularly confident person, and I thought, oh, you never know, I might have got it terribly wrong. So I passed. I got 100%, so amazing. And what that means is that the CGM Club tutorials will be accredited. So it means that I can like roll them out to salons and everywhere. We know they use them anyway because they message most of the time and ask, but it means that they can get like you know, like what are they called, like lesson points, a bit like GCSE points, CPD points. So it means that it's all be accredited and go towards their qualifications and college and stuff. So that's exciting. I did a thing on the website yesterday as well that allows you to get someone else to check out for you. So I was on a underwear site, and I went to the checkout and it said, oh, would you like someone else to buy this for you? And I thought, yeah, like that would be great. And I thought, when you guys come to our website, or, you know, if you're, we know that people buying gifts because they always email us to ask us what you've been ordering, so that they know to get the right thing. So I thought, well, that's a bonus, isn't it? So if you're at the checkout, it's Mother's Day coming up. If you go and put some things in your basket, but you know what you want, and then you can just forward your basket to your whoever the person is that you'd like to grab those items for you. So I thought that was cool. So that's in there as well. What else? I've been up to so many things. It's been crazy. I think that's it for now. I'm gonna finish my makeup, but those things hopefully will help you guys. I've got wonky eyelashes. I'm just gonna leave my hair to air dry. It's ridiculously long. I really need to cut it, but I'm 40 this year and I have it in my head that I want my hair really long for my 40th, so I'm like rocking a hard place, but it does need tidying up, so I might do that as well. But if I do, I'll do it on here. Have a good day. See you later. Bye.